What's up, Mama? My laptop is being super slow right now. Trying to log on so I can see everybody's comments, but I can't. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Mute. I guess I'll just jump right in. Today, I got a new order for a Gucci cup again. So tonight, since it's my day off, I'm just going to prep and sand this cup. That way we can get her going. Oh my God. Yeah, I want to have my laptop set up so I can read comments. So I don't have to keep going back to the phone, going back and forth. But now it looks like I'm going to have to do that. Okie dokes, gonna jump right in. So I wear gloves when I touch my cups. Do that for everything. Just because I've had really, really bad luck with epoxy not sticking in specific areas when I touch the cup. I'm also going to take off the cup. So first I'm just going to clean the cup. I'm using Dollar Tree coffee liners. Make sure I'm using frame. I'm using isopropyl alcohol. I have 3 orders for my tumblers, but not. At least you got orders, girl. I just took my Etsy shop off of vacation because I am ready to get back in the game. But I don't know. I haven't done anything really new since summer. I've just been taking it easy, hanging out with the kids. Alright, once I wipe down my cup, I'm gonna let it dry. I've been wanting to try like some geodes. You need to take a mini vacation, girl. That is super, super crucial. So I haven't quite sanded the cup yet. I just first took it out the box, cleaned it with alcohol. Now I'm just letting that dry off. And now I'm going to use 2 popsicle sticks and my mechanical pencil. This is what I always use to mark up my cups to make sure that I have straight lines when I am taping off my bottoms and my rims. I am doing a video. Did you want to come help?
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to come back inside.
You wanted to come back inside? You guys are done playing outside?
No, when I'm done, I want to come back.
Oh, when you're done helping me?
Yeah.
Okay,
My feet is dirty.
Your feet is dirty? Good thing we have hardwood floors.
What?
Okay, you gonna come assist? You gonna come help me assist?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here's what I need you to do. Come pull up a chair. Pull up a chair. Come sit here, right here.
Okay.
And you're gonna hand me stuff.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, I'm gonna, this is coffee liners, the sandpaper, and tape. Ready? So, after I mark up my cup, now I'm gonna need the tape.
Okay.
Can you hand me the tape? Alright. I'm gonna take painter's tape. Some people like to use electrical tape. I personally just have not had a bunch of luck with that. And that's only because I remember I was doing one of my first cups when I first started doing tumblers. I was on my final layer of epoxy and I was pulling tape, electrical tape off, and black residue was left behind. And it was like under the epoxy and I couldn't get it out for the life of me. Ever since then, I stopped using black electrical tape. Painter's tape, it is for me. Okay, Miss Autumn, I need help. You cut. Look at my fingers. Ooh. Thank you. Do you know what Mommy's doing? Mommy's prepping, sanding a cup. This is what we do, or what Mommy does before I start working on a cup. That's alcohol. You wanna learn how to make cups, babe? You want a toy set of cups? Didn't Auntie buy you one?
No.
And then you didn't take care of it? And then we lost all the pieces? Oh, you don't remember that?
No, I don't.
I remember that. It was for Christmas time.
I wanted to make.
All right, Miss Assistant, I need a cut. Yes, baby.
4:32.
Your foot's dirty too? Good thing we're gonna take a bath today. Electrical tape, you know, they do have one. You know, my main concern is, also like electrical tape is stretchy. So when you're trying to do straight lines, you could stretch it out and the elasticity will make it so it's not straight. You want to do it too?
Your feet is so dirty.
Okay, I need a cut, Miss Autumn.
Okay.
So
That's
when
okay.
I do
You put
cups,
your
I
sand in
always
the
tape off the
house.
bottoms. I tape off the tops. That minimizes the comebacks of people telling me, hey, my cup broke. And I don't have to deal with any of that. What? Yeah, like that.
Mommy, I want to do it too.
You want to do it too?
I want
So I have my top taped off, my bottom taped off. Now I'm gonna sand using 400 grit sandpaper, wet or dry. People like to do this wet, but since I taped my cup off, I'm just gonna do it dry and then I'm gonna. You want to do it? Okay, come here, sit in my lap. What? Come sit. Oh, don't touch it, babe. Ready? Okay, here we go. Take the sandpaper. Okay. Hold Mommy's hand. Do it together.
Mommy, I want gloves too.
You want gloves too? Guess what, Jackson? Mommy doesn't have any gloves that fit you.
I want to do it.
Okay, do it, baby. Right now, we're just scuffing up the stainless steel so that when we go to do our base paint, our base layer, that the paint has something to grab onto. And if you're just gonna do epoxy and then glitter, your epoxy will have something to grab onto as well.
I want to do it again.
Okay, do it, babe. We're almost done.
Take a mommy.
Thank you, baby. Okay, Miss Autumn,
I want to do it again.
I'm gonna need a dry one of the coffee liners. Get it good. Get it good. Get my edges good. That for me? Don't touch, it's dirty. Don't touch, it's dirty. I just told you it's dirty. So, black hands. Black hands after sanding. Alright, once I'm done sanding, I'm gonna come through and I'm gonna clean the cup with a coffee liner, a dry coffee liner.
Mama, I want this one.
You want this one? Okay, and then can you use rubbing alcohol? I'm sorry, not isopropyl alcohol. What? Sit up here. Give me one. Here. Baby, I don't have blue gloves that fit you, okay? I understand you want blue gloves. Yeah, they're only cute to the eye. Y'all don't see like what goes on in my house behind the scenes.
How do you press it?
I press it because that's how you get it out. It's like a spray bottle, but it sprays upwards. You want to do with that one? Take one more.
Oh, look at Autumn.
Yeah, look at Autumn. Who else do you see? You see Jackson on the computer? And now my cup is clean. It's sanded. No oily fingers have touched it. And I'm ready to go for my base layer. Y'all have any questions for me that I can answer while you have me? You don't have any questions? Do you have any questions, Mr. Jackson?
Yeah.
What's your question? Hey, look what you did. Broke Mommy's keyboard. Hey, Laura. How are you tonight? Don't touch it, please. I know you want to do it. Oh, yay! You're so welcome.
Touch it. Mommy, I need something to touch. This Autumn.
Go ahead. Okay.
I want to do it.
What do you want to do exactly?
Mama said close it.
Not too bad. Just finished our live.
Mama,
Pretty much. Short live. I got my cup ready for one of my orders. I'm going to continue tonight and spray paint it.
Okay, go cut.
See, my little assistants are helping me. Kind of. Okay, no more cutting, okay?
Mama wants to do it.
How about we don't touch the laptop anymore, okay?
Mama, what's up?
No, babe.
I just did a little one.
Alright, loves. I gotta get off and get the kids' baths going. They're shaking their heads. No, you don't want a bath. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments from now on. I can answer it there. Oh, girl, Gia, after reading your comment. One time, Autumn got into the diaper rash cream. She was covered in it like, oh my goodness. Okay, that's enough. Babe. That's enough.
Oh, what's up? Okay.
Yeah, all done, all done, all done.
Mommy, now my new phone can stay together.
Okay, babe. All right, lovelies. I'm going to call it night. Short and sweet. Prepping and sanding. Oh, if you guys prefer to do a full cup, then, you know, not taping off the ends, all you need to do is you can even wet sand it with Dawn. You wet sand the sides, the bottom, and then once you're done sanding, just give it a final wash with Dawn and then let it dry and you're good to go to start spray painting or epoxy glitter method. Ooh, you're welcome. I hope I get to see you go live soon, Gia. I missed you last weekend. All right, kids, it's bath time. Let's go. That's my cue, ladies. Until next time, bye.